Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a frame rate. 60 to 240 FPS gives usable slow motion. Higher FPS equals smoother, but needs more light. Once chosen, set your shutter speed to about double the frame rate to keep motion natural. For 60 FPS, use 1/120. Make sure you switch to manual exposure so the camera doesn't change brightness mid-shot, and lock white balance to avoid color shifts. At this stage, stabilize your camera, tripod, or gimbal so motion looks smooth rather than jittery. Once done with basic settings, address light and stability. Because higher FPS and faster shutter reduce light per frame, add continuous lights or push ISO while watching noise. You want clean frames. Use a gimbal or solid tripod. If handheld, enable optical or sensor stabilization to reduce micro jitter. Frame a bit wider than the final composition so you can stabilize and crop in post without losing quality. Make sure motion direction and background are simple. Fewer distractions help smoothing algorithms work better. You finish in post. Import at native FPS, then conform timeline to playback speed you want and use optical flow or motion interpolation to create intermediate frames for smooth slow motion. After interpolation, apply temporal denoise to reduce flicker and then mild sharpening to recover detail. Export at a high bitrate to preserve quality. If you see stutter or warping, reduce interpolation strength, try frame blending, or reshoot with a higher FPS and better lighting. That typically fixes artifacts and yields the cleanest slow motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.